Good morning, students. In last class we have discussed about comparing numbers and we have discussed how to write the numbers in ascending and descending order, and we have read about shifting the digits. Yes, in today's class we are going to introduce a number called 10,000. See here, the next concept is introducing 10,000. Now see here, students, before going to 10,000 we will see some pattern. See here, students, if I take a greatest one digit number, and if I add 1 here, 9 plus 1 will be a 2. This is the smallest 2-digit number. See, if I take greatest 2-digit number, if I add 1 here, I am going to get a smallest 3-digit number. If I continue the same patterns here, now if I take the greatest 3-digit number, that is 999 plus 1, I am going to get a 999 plus 1 is 1000. This is nothing but a smallest 4-digit number. Again continue the pattern. If I take a greatest 4-digit number, that is 9999, if I add here 1, I am going to get a smallest 5-digit number, that is nothing but your 10,000. So this number is nothing but a 10,000. Whatever I written in introducing 10,000, this is nothing but a, what we are going to call this number as 10,000. So this number comes after 9,999. This number will come after greatest 4-digit number, that is 9,999. 9,999 plus 1 is nothing but a 10,000. Now see here, students, in earlier classes you have learnt about the expansions of 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number. But in this year we are going to expand, because we come to know the 10,000 number, right? 5-digit number. We are going to expand the 5-digit numbers also. See here. Next, revisiting place value. Now see here, students, you know the expansion of 2-digit number, that is 20 plus 3. This can be written as 2 into 10 plus 3. Here we come to know that 3 is at 1 place, 2 is at 10's place, right? We have learnt about 3-digit number also. See here, it will become 800 plus 30 plus 2. We have learned this in a last area. Yes or no? How to expand a 3-digit number. It is 8 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 2 into 1. Here we come to know that 2 is at 1's place, 3 is at 10's place, 8 is at 100's place. Okay, you have learned how to expand 4-digit number also. We will take the example for that also. See here, 5,623. This will become 5,000 plus 600 plus 20 plus 3. This can be written as 5 into 1000 plus 6 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 3. Here 3 is at 1's place, 2 is at 10's place, 6 is at 100's place, and 5 is at 1000's place. Now when we came to know the 10,000, okay, when we came to know that 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number, now we can expand 5-digit numbers also. See here, we can expand 5 digits number also. Take down an example, 8, 6, 2, 3, 4. What we can tell here? 8 is at 10,000s place. 6 is at thousands place. 3 is at hundreds place. 2 is at tens place, and 4 is at ones place. We can expand a 5-digit number also, that is 8 is at 10,000 place here. We are coming to know that, yes or no? See here, 4 is at ones place, 2 is at tens place, 3 is at hundreds place, 6 is at thousands place, and 8 is at 10,000 place. Now the question arises how to read this number. Now see here, this is nothing but how to read means 86,324. How to read this number? 86,324. Now see here student, in your textbook they have given you, in their textbook it's a page number 6. You have to complete this box. Okay students, you have to complete this box. Okay, that is page number 6. You have to complete this box. Read and expand the numbers wherever there are blanks. You have to complete that. Okay, next here, after this we are going to introduce here 1 lakh. Now see students, again we will continue the same pattern. Okay, again we are going to continue the same pattern. Now I am going to take a greatest 5-digit number. Okay, I am going to take a greatest 5-digit number. If you take a greatest 5-digit number plus 1, if you do, what we will get? Now see, greatest 5-digit number is 99,999 plus 1. If I do this, I am going to get, what is that? It is nothing but a smallest 6-digit number. Smallest 6-digit number. This number is nothing but a 1 lakh. This number is nothing but a 1 lakh. See here, what I done? I have continued the same pattern. You have to take a greatest 5-digit number, that is 99,999 plus 1 you add, you are going to get a smallest 6-digit number, that is nothing but a 1 lakh. Okay. Now see student, we have expanded here up to 5-digit number. Now we can expand up to 6-digit number also. See here, for example, you can take here 4, 3, 5, 6, 9, 8. Okay, how to write the expanded form? This is nothing but the 4 into the number of zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 3 into, it is 10,000 plus 5 into 1000 plus 6 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 8 into 1. So we can expand the 6-digit number also. Yes or no? Now we can tell here that 8 is at ones place, 9 is at tens place, 6 is at hundreds place, 5 is at thousands place, 3 is at 10,000s place, 4 is at 1 lakhs place. Okay. Now question arises how to read this number. That is, see how to read this number means 4,35,698. How we are going to read this number? 4,35,698. See, in your textbook again they have given the try this, you have to solve that, okay, in textbook with pencil. See, after introducing 1 lakh, again we will go for the large numbers, okay, we will go for large numbers. Again I am going to continue the pattern, okay, again I am going to continue the pattern. If I take a greatest, 6-digit number, if I take a greatest 6-digit number, if I do plus 1, I am going to get smallest 7-digit number. If you take a greatest 6-digit number, the same pattern I am going to continue what I had done previously. Now see, greatest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. This is a greatest 6-digit number. If I add 1 here, I am going to get a smallest 7-digit number. What I am going to get? A smallest 7-digit number. See, this is nothing but a 10 lakh. This number is nothing but a 10 lakh. So this 10 lakh will come after 9,99,999. When 10 lakh will come? After 9,99,999, 10 lakh will come. So again I will continue the pattern. Again I am going to continue the pattern. See here, greatest 7-digit number, plus 1 if I do, I am going to get smallest 8-digit number. I am going to get smallest 8-digit number. Now what is the greatest 7-digit number? That is 99,99,999 plus 1 if I do, I am going to get a smallest 8-digit number. What I am going to get? Smallest 8-digit number. So this is nothing but a 1 crore. What we are going to tell? A smallest 8-digit number is called 1 crore. This 1 crore will comes after 99,99,999. Okay, this is about 10,000. We come to know how 10,000 will come. 1 lakh, 10 lakh and crore. We have learnt here so many large numbers up to crore. Yes or no? Next we will see some points here. See, these are the points to remember. You have to remember this. See, 100 means 100s can be written as 10 tens. Yes or no? If you 10 into 10 is 100. Now 1000 is nothing but 10 hundreds. 10 hundreds. See, 10 into 100 is again a 1000. Yes or no? Again this can also be written as 100 tens. Now how we can write 1 lakh? 1 lakh can be written as 100 thousands. Thousands means we have 1000 is a smallest number, right? 1000 is a smallest 4-digit number, yes or no? Now see here, this 100 into 1000 we are going to get 1 lakh. Again we can write this as 1000 hundreds. Both are same. So how we can write 1 crore means 1 crore is nothing but a 100 lakhs or 10,000 thousands. 10,000 thousands. See here we came to know that here 1 hundreds is nothing but 10 into 10. If you do again 1 hundreds will come. 1000 is 10 hundreds. If you take 10 hundreds we are going to get 1000. It can also be written as 100 tens. Tens means 10. If you do 100 into 10 again we are going to get 1000. 1 lakh is nothing but 100 thousands, 1000 hundreds. And what about 1 crore? 1 crore is nothing but 100 lakhs, or we can write 10,000 thousands. See here, now we have place value charts. Those are Indian place value chart and international place value chart. See a place value, as you know, you are learnt in a primary section in a last year. Place value tells us the position of the digit in a number. See, Indian place value chart we are going to use in India. See, outside India we are going to use outside India we are going to use international place value chart. Now see here, in Indian place value chart we have grouped into 4 periods, that is ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. Okay, these are 4 periods. Ones is again divided into ones, tens, hundreds. In thousands, thousands, 10,000s. In lakhs, lakhs, 10 lakhs. And in crores, crores, 10 crores. Okay. Now suppose if I gave you a large number, it is very difficult to read. Yes or no? It is very difficult to read. Suppose I give any one large number, it is very difficult to read. See, if I told you to read this number, if I ask you to read this number, you will get so much of confusion and it will take so much of time. Okay. See, we have to, here we are going to introduce commas in Indian place value chart. When commas we are going to use. See here, after every period, this is one period, okay, this is one period, this is second, third, fourth. We can tell a family, this is one family, this is one family, and this total 4 families are there, that are nothing but periods. See now here, in Indian system, how we are going to give a commas? Means after every family, after every period, we have to give a comma. Now suppose here, now this number I am going to insert in a place value chart. Now what it will become? 9, 9, 8, 7, 6, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now ask you to read this number, you will feel very difficult. When you insert this in a place value chart, you will feel very easy. Place value chart means it will tell the position of the digit in the number. Now see here, if we put a comma, we will feel easy to read the number. Now see here, how to read this number and how to give a comma for this number. See here, after every period we have to give comma. This is one period. After every period we are giving a comma. Then how we have to read here? 23 crore. Family you have to read. 23 crore 45 lakh 67,899. See, our commas help us to read the number, to read the large number. Yes or no? in Indian place value chart, after every period we are going to give a comma. Say after every family, this is one family at all, second, third, fourth family. After every family we are going to give a comma. It is first in hundreds, after 100 place we are giving comma. Afterwards thousands family, afterwards lakhs, afterwards crores. Okay, how to give a comma? Suppose if I asked you how to read this number. Okay, if I gave you example how to read this number. Now see, after every family, here ones, tens, hundreds, ones is one family. After thousands, one comma. After lakhs, how to read this? 4 crores 56 lakhs 78,933. What I am telling? In Indian place value chart, we are going to give comma after every period. That are ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. It is from right side, first we have to, after 3 digits we have to give comma. Afterwards followed by 2 digits. This is nothing but a Indian place value chart. In Indian place value chart, we are divided the periods in 4, that is ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. Okay, this is nothing but a Indian place value chart. So what I told, how you have to give comma? You have to give comma in such a way that after every period, after every house, you can tell house also, after this period and after this and after crores. So I will give an example for Indian place value chart. You can take down that examples. See here, insert, take down example, insert commas. Okay, insert commas suitably and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration. See here, what they are telling, we have to insert commas and we have to read that numbers, whatever they have given. Okay, whatever they have given, we have to read that numbers also. So I told that in Indian place value chart, there are 4 periods, ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. After every period, we are going to give a comma. After every period, we are going to give a comma. Now see, means after this house, we are going to give comma. After this house, we are going to give comma. After lakhs and after crores. Now see here, insert comma suitably and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. See how we are going to give a comma here. In first one, this is ones place, thousands, lakh, crore. Yes or no? See here, this is ones place in ones period, and this is thousands followed by 2. This is ones period, this is thousands period, and this is lakhs period, this is crore. And how to read this number? See, Indian place value chart. When comma is there, we have to take the name of the family. It is 5 crore. When comma is there, we have to take the name of the family. 5 crores 8 lakhs 1,592. I will tell once again. You have to remove this comma and you have to tell the family name. 5 crores 8 lakhs 1,592. Now see this number. 22705062. 1 3. First we have to give from right side 3. Afterwards from right side we have to give after 3 digit 1 comma. Afterwards 2 digits. This is 1's period, this is 1000's period, this is lakhs period, and this is crores period. After when comma is there, you have to remove that comma and you have to tell the name. How to read this here? 2 crores 27 lakhs 5062. How to read this number? You remove the comma and tell the name of the family. 2 crores 27 lakhs 5062. 5062. Okay, you have to remove the comma and you have to tell the name of the family or period. Now one more place value chart, that is international place value chart. Say in international place value chart, they have divided the periods as ones, thousands, millions. Okay, we are categorized in ones, it has ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, in thousands, thousands, 10,000s, again 100,000s, millions, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Okay, we are categorized the period as first period as ones, second period as thousands, third period as millions. Okay, in ones, what are the places? Ones, tens, hundreds. In thousands, we are categorized in 3 places here: thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. In millions, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Okay, see here this is full one family or one period, and here hundreds is one period, and here millions is one period. We can tell a family also. See here ones is one family, here thousands, here millions. Okay, now suppose I give you some numbers here: 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 0. To read this number, how to read this numbers here? Here these two belong to millions family, no? These two belong to millions family. How we have to read? 23 millions, 23 millions. You have to take the name of the period. 23 millions, 200. You have to read 200, 56,000s, 456,000s. Okay, here the period will end as the family, it will belong to here only. 456,890. This is same how we used to read. Once more I will tell you here. 23. After the completion you have to take the period name. 23 millions 456,890. This is the way we are reading. Suppose I give one more example. How to read this? 423 millions. After the end of this period we have to take the name of this. 423 millions, 423 millions, 456,890. This is the way we are reading. Okay, now how to give commas? We have to give commas from right side. After 3 digits we have to give, because here in ones period there are 3 places, again thousands period there are 3 places, in millions period there are 3 places. But here in our Indian place value chart, in ones there were 3 places, again in thousands 2. That's why we in Indian place value chart, how we used to give? First from right side after 3 digit followed by 2 digits. So no, first we used to give from right side 3 digit after 2 digits. Why this is so? Because here in ones period 3 places are there, in thousands period 2 places are there, lakhs 2 places are there, crores 2 places are there. That's why I used to do like this. But here in every period there are 3 place values. We are divided into 3 places. Yes or no? That's why we have to give from right side after every 3 digits. Now how we are going to give here comma? See here, 4 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 0. How we are going comma? After every 3 digits. After every 3 digits from right side. But Indian place value chart, from right side first we used to give after 3 digits, followed by from there we used to give for 2 digits. But in international place value chart, from right side after every 3 digits we are going to give a commas. And I told you how to read the number. This we can read it as 423. You have to take the name of the family. 423,456,890. Okay. For this also we will take an example. I will take here. Now see here also insert commas. Okay, example, insert commas suitably. Okay, suitably, and write the names according to international system of numeration. International system. Okay, we'll take one example. 50801592. Now see here, insert comma suitably and write the names according to international system. See, in international system how you used to give? From right side after every 3 digits. Now how we are going to read this number? See, this is nothing but 1 spirit, this is 1000 spirit, this is million spirit. 50 millions, 801,000. Okay, 800. See here, 50 million 801,592. How we used to read this number? 50 millions. Okay, 50 millions 800 and 800 1000 800 592. So I will read this number. 50 million 801,592. Okay, we will solve exercise problems. So first they are given exercise 1.1. Okay, first they are given fill in the blanks. First they are given fill in the blanks. Say first one is 1 lakh. 1 lakh is equal to dash 10,000. One lakh is equal to dash 10,000. See here 10,000 is here. 1 lakh is here, right? Here 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros are there in 10,000. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros are there. So 1 lakh is equal to how many 10 lakhs? Here 10 lakh is here. If you multiply by 10, it will become a 1 lakh. 10,000 is nothing but a 1 lakh. See here B1 they have given 1 million. Okay, 1 million is equal to dash 1 million is equal to dash 100,000. Dash 100,000. So see the place value there. See here 1 million here. 1 million means dash 100,000. Where is in international place value? See 100,000 is here, right? They ask 1 million. 1 million is here. Okay. Here 100,000. Dash 100,000 is equal to 1 million. Now count as zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 1 million we have 6 zeros. In 100,000 we have 5 zeros. If we multiply by 10, it will become a what? 1 million. It will become a 1 million. So now we will see the C1. 1 crore is equal to dash 10 lakh. Dash 10 lakh. Now see here 10 lakh is here. They ask 1 crore is here. If we multiply this number by 10, we are going to get a 1 crore. We are getting a 1 crore. So next they are asked 1 crore is equal to dash million. 1 crore is equal to dash million. So 1 crore is nothing but a 10 million. 10 million is nothing but a 1 crore. So the last part they are given is 1 million is equal to dash lakh. So you can see a place value chart and you can tell that 1 million is equal to how many lakhs. Here only Indian place value chart is there and international place value chart is there. What is the answer? It is 10. Okay. The next part we are going to see in the next class. Thank you.